So I have to start with the drama again.
Yes, do it.
Okay, hello and welcome everybody for the English class. And we just made a lemonade in the class. We mixed sweet water with lemon. So we got lemon water. Now there are certain words in English that single words, when you bring them together, they form a new word. Such words in English are called as compound words. Okay, one example that we saw was hand and a bag. That makes a new word.
Butterfly and
Bag.
Handbag, yes. And if you take a scoop of butter and you throw it across the table and it goes flying, then it is your butterfly, right? All
No,
right.
it is butter plus knife. Butter knife.
Okay, we are talking about the butterflying. Okay, so it's butterfly.
Ma'am, water.
All right.
Ma'am, water in the watermelon.
Lemon water plus, yes, melon.
Earl will be teacher. Watermelon.
Sweet melon is teacher. Okay, that's good. All right. Sweet melon, very good. All right. Now what we were discussing about was the periodic table of elements, right? So there are certain elements in science. When you mix those elements together, when you bring them together, they they become a new element. They become a new compound. Okay. So the word compound has been taken from there. Okay, from your field of science, where you mix two elements and you get a new product, a new compound. Okay, like for example, if you take hydrogen and you take oxygen, it will make H2O.
Water.
Yes, H2O is your water. Okay, if you take sodium, that is Na, and you take chloride, that is Cl, it will make NaCl. NaCl is your salt. Okay, sodium chloride. All right, so that all elements, we are not going to go in that. I'm just giving you an example from where the word compound has been taken, and we have applied it in English
Plus
as well.
acid. Citric plus acid. Citric acid.
We have formed new words. The idea of compound. Okay, one example that I can give you. Everybody has an eye. Yes, and this is a lid. Do you have an eyelid? Yes.
Eyelid.
Yes.
Ma'am, what if somebody thought that's a plate? Then I plate.
No, it's definitely a lid. Why would you think
It looks like a plate.
No.
Ma'am.
It's a lid that we put on the container. Okay.
Ma'am, see.
Yeah.
I
Ball.
plus patch.
Eyeball. I plus ball. Eyeball.
I plus ball, eyeball. Very good, Mohammed Saqib. That's excellent.
Bulldog.
Ma'am, water plus
Bull plus dog is bulldog. Wow, that's amazing. Yes.
Ma'am, water plus bottle is water bottle.
German plus shepherd is equals to German shepherd.
Ma'am, head plus phone, headphone.
Ma'am, black plus
Glass and the glass plus water. Glass of water.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ice cream.
Ma'am, can I say?
It's your ice cream. Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I can say.
Let Ibrahim speak. Let's not get too chaotic. I understand this is a very interesting and you guys are enjoying it, but let's keep the decorum and respect others. Okay?
Ma'am, laptop.
Very good. Okay, finally some peace. Yes, Juveria.
Ma'am, 1 plus 1 is 11.
Juveria, Shruti ma'am will investigate you. She'll suspend you. Don't do that. As much as I want to believe, as much as I am in for you, I understand the joke behind it. But no. Do not say it strictly. No. Don't say it in front of your father and Shruti ma'am. They will kill me.
Ma'am, mine plus craft.
Yeah. So we will not speak without turn. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Because you raised your hand, you're getting a chance to speak.
Ma'am, Alfia plus Sony. Sony.
Quiet. Yeah. Now you are just plainly confusing the others. Keep quiet. Okay. Yes, Aisha Kazi.
Ma'am, I read somewhere that
Ma'am, can I say after Humaira?
Aisha Kazi, speak.
Ma'am, can I say after Aisha?
Ma'am,
See, when you raise your hand, I can see you, right? And if you keep your hands raised, I'll come to you. You don't have to unmute yourself and ask for permission that can I speak after that. Because if the child is speaking and you say, can I say it, it's still clashing. Okay, Aisha Kazi, last chance. Unmute yourself.
That there was a probe, a robot that went to Mars, and the scientists have put the other element, some kind of strong element, that they thought that the robot will be staying for 3 to 4 years on Mars, but then it stayed 14 years. Because that small element gave it so much energy to stay 14 years on Mars.
Wow. So is that element applicable on humans too, or it only works with the robot?
It had many powerful rays, so that can cause
harmful
rays.
Okay.
So that can cause disease.
Okay. Yes, Abdullah, I like your example. Head plus set is headset. Okay. Rushda, giving you a chance to speak.
Hurry plus cane equals hurricane.
Okay, that's lovely. Hurry plus cane is equal to hurricane. Okay, but that, I don't know if that's a compound word. No, I don't think so.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, William
You're talking
Kane.
without turn, Abdullah.
Ma'am,
Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, Black plus Panther equals Black Panther.
Ooh, coming to that, Hamza, don't spoil. Don't give spoiler alerts. Yes, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, mind plus craft, Minecraft.
Very good. Ibrahim Rizwani.
Ma'am, German plus shepherd is equals to German shepherd. And I was going to say that was Hamza was saying. And I have another example like Iron plus
Fine.
Man
We'll come to
equals
keep
to
quiet.
Iron Man.
Keep quiet. We come to that.
And Captain plus
Keep
America
quiet.
plus
Oh
Captain
my
America.
God, why is this guy? Mute him, somebody. Okay. Anyway, Omar Sharif, go ahead.
Ma'am, card plus board, cardboard, sugar plus cane, sugar cane.
Yes. Excellent, Omar. Yeah. Speak.
Ma'am, cow plus boy, cowboy.
Oh, that was out of the. I couldn't think of that. Trust me. Hamdan, how about you speak? Hamdan, give me one example.
Doctor Strange. Ma'am, Doctor plus Strange, Doctor Strange.
Keep going. Hamdan, give me an example of compound word. Don't forget, we call them compound words. Okay, you are coming up with excellent examples, but you guys need to remember that what is it called? Yes. Hamdan Fazlani.
Ma'am, cup.
Ma'am, can we? Is it also in numbers like?
Ma'am, cup.
Give me an example. I'll tell you whether it is.
28. Like
No.
Ma'am, cup plus board, cupboard.
Very good. Cup plus board is cupboard. Excellent. Okay. Joyce.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Compound. Rishta, stop it. You're making me laugh now.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
How about now? I understand that all
keep
of
plus
you all
quiet.
have
Keep
got.
quiet.
Thank you.
Ma'am, here.
Keep quiet.
Ma'am, here press ring, earring.
Wow, Humaira, you're so good. Muhammad Mohammadi, would you like to give an example?
Ma'am, I have
Something that you are wearing right now, Muhammad Mohammadi. Go ahead.
Ma'am, head
It
and
is a compound word.
Ma'am, head band, head and band.
Yes, Muhammad Mohammadi, go ahead. Give me an example. Yeah.
Ma'am, cup plus cake, cupcake.
Cupcake, very good.
Golden
Yes,
plus
now-
sparrow, golden sparrow.
Oh, there he is, superhero. Super plus hero, superhero. Okay, we'll let Muhammad Mohammadi speak. Okay,
Ma'am,
everybody's
hairband.
spoken. Everybody's spoken. We'll let Muhammad Mohammadi speak. Go ahead.
Pen and pencil, pencil. Ma'am, life plus time, lifetime.
Oh, life plus time, lifetime. Very good. Juveria. Yeah.
Ma'am, T plus shirt is t-shirt.
Okay, excellent. But
And
how
I
about
did
you
it
give
in
it a
the
try?
chat.
Ma'am,
How
master
about you
plus
try?
mind, mastermind.
Very
Ma'am,
good,
English
Hamdan.
plus
There you
book.
are. like it?
English plus book. English book.
Very good. Batul, how about you speak? We'll let Batul speak. Others, open your textbook to page number 12. 23. Sorry, not 12. 23. My bad. Batul, yes.
Hot plus dog.
Sorry? I can't hear.
Dog, hot dog.
Oh, hot plus dog is hot dog. Wow, lovely.
Ma'am, I don't like that.
Black,
Look at Hamdan.
black,
Look at
black
Hamdan.
plus
Look at
whole,
Hamdan.
black hole.
He's smiling.
Black plus whole, black hole.
Oh, there he is. Black plus whole, black hole. Okay,
Ma'am,
everybody on page number 23.
Ma'am, one time my friend called the cafeteria and he told one garam kutta.
Ma'am, can
We
I
all
tell
know
you?
that joke.
Can
But
I
yes,
tell
it's
you
funny.
Ma'am, can I tell you the secret of Amazon?
Ma'am,
Then
Amma
tell us
Jan.
all. We all know.
ma'am, can I say?
Amazon,
Amma
you know
Jan.
the logo of Amazon, right?
Yes, and A with a smile.
Yes. So the smile and starts from A and it ends at Z. So that because you know why? Because Amazon buys everything from A to Z.
Everyone knows.
Wow.
All of them know.
I
The
really
teacher,
didn't know that, man.
the
Aisha, thank you
teacher,
so much.
ma'am, teacher is her teacher.
Let's drink. No drink.
Isn't it good, Abdullah? You
Ma'am,
learn from one
ladybug.
place and you spread the knowledge to the others, right?
Ma'am,
It's excellent. Thank you,
nose.
Aisha.
Ma'am, nose plus drink. Nose drink.
Nose plus ring, nose ring. Humaira is coming up with excellent compound words. Huh? Now, are you all on page number 23?
Yes, ma'am.
News plus paper equals to newspaper.
Oh, क्या बात है?
Ma'am,
polar bear, polar bear.
Yes. Okay, Mohammed Saqib, this is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am, news plus
Date,
paper.
update.
Ma'am, news.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, news.
ma'am,
plus
dry plus
paper,
fruit
news
is equals to dry fruits. Ma'am, dry plus
You all
fruit is
will
equals to
mute
dry.
yourselves. You all will mute yourselves, and I give you about 1 minute to solve exercise 1. You guys know what you have to do. The first word is given. You just have to circle the other word that is given in the remaining table. Okay, and you guys have to
Page
mark
number.
your answer. Mohammed Saqib, is that you?
Ma'am, ma'am,
I didn't
ma'am,
understand.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Page number.
ma'am, has the electricity gone on your place?
No.
Ma'am,
The
page number.
hasn't gone to my place. I'm repeating the instructions last time. While I mute you, listen to me carefully and do not interrupt. Okay? Like good children, you all are. Page
Ma'am,
number.
I can't see you clearly.
That's
Your videos.
It's okay to not see me. As long as you're on page number 23, okay? And on exercise 1, where the words are given on one side, main words are given, and you have to.
Newspaper.
Aisha, please mute yourself, beta. Okay. You have to make a compound word with the remaining words. That
What is the page number? You didn't tell only.
I said page number 23.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, on the second homework or homemade, both.
Both. So here's the thing. Listen to the instructions first. Page number 23. Make the compound words with the main words given and the remaining words in the table. You have to circle those words, and you can have either one compound word or you can have more than one. Okay, you can have 2 compound words with the same main word. You can have 3 compound words. Okay, so go ahead, understand the exercise and solve it. Now you have a minute to solve.
Ma'am, can I do on
Those
your
who've done,
paper?
yes.
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 Third and fourth. Ward 1 in
Ma'am, you
window.
are
We'll discuss that.
We can circle all of them.
Ma'am,
Then
you
you
are
will
also
understand.
doing. Ma'am, what is the meaning of word?
Just in case you do not understand
What
anything
is it?
and you are just in case you are you do not understand anything and you're finding it difficult to make a compound word, leave it, because after everybody completes the exercise, we are going to discuss it, okay, and you will understand. Now Mohammed Saqib, I'm sharing my screen for you so that you can do it on that.
Cake. Cupcake.
Mute yourselves, everybody.
Alfia ma'am,
Yeah.
if there are 2, then we can circle 2 also.
Yes, Ibrahim. You
Done,
can circle
ma'am.
2. There are 3. You can circle 3. Okay. Wow. Okay, Mohammed
Ma'am,
Saqib.
I want to say something.
Yes, yeah.
One compound word. Up plus date. Update.
Very good. That's nice. I
Ma'am,
think we can make our own book of compound words, don't you feel?
then what is the meaning of ward?
Yes.
Okay. A ward means a specific area. Okay, like in hospitals, how do we have wards? A ward, B ward.
Ward, my mama.
Yes. So that's
Wardrobe.
wardrobe. Wardrobe means cupboard. A specific area where you keep all your robes or clothing.
You are also doing.
No, Humaira, I am not doing. I'm letting Mohammed Saqib do because he doesn't have a textbook. Those who have the textbook will do it in the textbook.
I'm done.
Okay. Anything you do not understand, you may leave it. There is no hard and fast rule that you need to get the right answer. It is okay. You can make mistakes, and I will be proud of you. I will still be proud of you if you write the wrong answers. Okay? Doesn't matter. You don't have to be right. You just have to attempt and give it a try. Aisha Qazi, do not do that, child, please. It's only for Mohammed Saqib.
मैम होम सिक भी आएगा.
हाँ, Hamdan, did you mark it in your textbook? Okay, perfect. This is Mohammed Saqib's exercise, okay, because he doesn't have a book. Where did Aisha Qazi go? I can't see her.
I'm all done.
Qazi, where are you?
Ma'am, I think she's sitting on the.
Ma'am,
There she
my
is.
light.
Ma'am, footman is also
My
here.
light was gone. That
Oh.
is why.
Did it come back?
Now it came back.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it came back.
Okay. Fine.
I'm done.
Okay, are we done? I assume we all have completed. From 1 minute, you
Ma'am,
3 minutes.
What is this? Excuse me, ma'am.
That space.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Hamdan. Yeah.
Ma'am, footman is also a word.
Not heard of it, Hamdan. What does it mean?
Ma'am, can we discuss it now?
Really? I'll Google.
Foot command.
Sure, if you say so. I mean, today's world, we don't really know if there can be any man.
Ma'am, I plus bro, eyebrow.
Ma'am, it means is someone who waits tables.
A soldier in the infantry. Okay. Okay. A servant whose duties include admitting visitors and waiting at table. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, let's discuss. Come on. People of the world. News?
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Cupcake cupboard.
Cake in cupboard.
We are on cup.
Cupcake cupboard.
Who is answering for foot?
Cupcake.
We are on cup right now. Okay, let's go line wise, you know. Cup will be
Cupcake.
and
Cupboard.
cupboard. Very good, very good. Excellent. Okay. Ward?
Wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
Perfect. Window?
Sill.
Sill. Window sill मतलब क्या पता है वो जो we put ना sliding windows
Ma'am,
जो
that-
border रहता
that
है.
down, that-
Yeah, the marble that we have, that's the window sill. Okay, the area where we can keep our hand and all, that's window sill. Okay, it's window sill. All right. Now
Craft.
and
Airport.
very good.
Airport and aircraft.
Aircraft and airport. Excellent.
Footman.
Foot,
And what is aircraft?
Football.
football,
and footman.
Aircraft is
footman.
airplane.
Okay. Football and footman.
Football and football.
Yes.
Homework. Homemade.
Homework, homemade. Homework.
Homework.
Homemade.
Homesick also. Homesick also. You know what is homesick? When you're
No.
away from your house and you miss it too much, you feel homesick. You know, you feel so sick that by missing your home, you feel so sick. That's called homesick. That feeling is called homesick.
Spaceship, ship and team also, ma'am. Space team also. Ma'am, the team which goes in the space team, they are called only space team only, ma'am.
Okay. Space team as well.
Ma'am, let's Google it.
I'll Google it. You Google and you let me know. Yeah. Okay. Everybody completed that exercise? Okay. Now,
Really, space team is there.
Perfect, Umar. Okay, and what does it mean, Umar?
Ma'am, I didn't.
Oh God. You should have searched for the meaning as well. Okay, go ahead and search and let us know. Okay. Now, what I want you all are fans of superheroes.
Space team is a game.
Stop shouting.
Please don't shout. It's a game, Alfia ma'am.
Yeah.
Space team is a game.
It's a game.
Everybody is shouting in their mic.
I know, right? I mean,
And I am wearing headphones. It is very paining.
you tell me. I am wearing earplugs, bro. Write it to my ear. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is now, because we all are fans of superheroes, there are certain superheroes that have compound words. Their names are compound words. Okay.
Iron Man.
So let's see. Do not spoil it. Do not spoil the fun. Do not spoil the fun. Let us see first. Okay. And you will enjoy this because it's.
Ma'am, I am not a fan of superheroes.
No problem, Muhammad Saqib. You still enjoy. Okay. Okay. This is bat. And this is a man.
Batman.
Batman. This is a man.
Batman.
Good. This is an ant. And this is a man.
Ant-Man.
This is a spider.
Spider-Man.
Excellent. This is an iron.
Iron
Man. You know what's funny? Imagine bat and man. Batman.
I don't understand anything.
Humana, what we are doing is we are just having a little fun in the class by recognizing the names of the superheroes that are compound words. Okay, and I would really appreciate when I'm talking, you do not intercede me or do not interrupt me. Okay.
Do you know a fact that if we will hit a man with a bat, he will become Batman?
How about I hit you with the spider?
Man.
Radioactive spider.
Okay, so
Iron
Man.
Iron Man. Okay, Aisha, I am doing that. Okay. Captain. And this is
America.
How good. That's good. Oh, yeah.
Crime.
That's very good. So, what are all these things, these words that we made today in class? What do we call them? Compound words. Yes, Humana, what do we call them?
Compound words.
Excellent. We call them compound words. Okay. Let's see. Let's have a little fun now. Okay.
Everybody's video is paused.
No, कुछ भी.
Internet connection. Maybe your internet connection.
Yes, your internet connection might be low. This warm-up PowerPoint is intended to. Ma'am, what kind of PowerPoint app is this, ma'am?
Butterfly, cowboy.
Yes, ma'am. It's Ajib.
Okay. Butter.
Ma'am, flash.
Cupcake, Spider-Man, cowboy.
Butterfly.
Yeah. Giving answers fast will not make you smart. Respecting others and giving them chance will make you a good human being. You decide you want to be smart or you want to become a good human being. Okay, cow and boy. Hey, yeah, your example is right here. Yay!
Cowboy.
Cupcake.
Eyelid. Wow.
Cupcake.
Raincoat.
Raincoat.
Cup and cake. Cupcake. That's excellent. Okay, how about this? All right, it's a crossword. Now, we will solve it together. Mute yourselves and raise your hand. Then only you'll get a chance. All right. Now, the first one, 6 across. Okay, that means this part. All right?
Ma'am, I know the answer. Can I please say?
No, you have to raise your hand. If you speak, you will definitely not get a chance. Okay, mute yourselves, everybody. All right.
So, ma'am, you have to write in the chat.
No, I will. Once you raise your hand, and if I give you chance, you can answer, and then we'll see whether your answer is correct. Okay. Now, I wash my dishes in the. It starts with D. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Why are others not raising hands? Like there are so other people, few are so excited, and there are few who don't want to answer at all. Amdan and Hamza, start your video. Are you with me? I don't know whether I'm talking to. Yeah. Rushda, go ahead.
Ma'am, you disabled your video setting.
Keep quiet. I did not.
Ma'am, you're the host now.
No. Am I?
Dishwasher.
Yes.
Dishwasher. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I was not even able to open my camera. That's why I thought.
That's fine. Now you are with us, Hamza. How about we try this? We are solving the word crossword puzzle on compound words. Okay. In the morning, I am woken up by the bright dash. Starts with D and L. Let me see who's raising hand. Abdullah Patel.
Daylight.
Daylight. Okay. Whoa. Yes. Okay. Now we are solving all the down ones. All right. All the down column ones. Zion bought a pet dash at the aquarium. Humaira Qasim, go ahead. Humaira. It starts with G and the other word starts with F. A pet from the aquarium. Who's that? Yes, it's fish. Which fish?
Green fish.
Green fish, or which is this fish? What color is it?
Orange.
Ma'am, can I say?
Orange. No, now you will definitely not get a chance.
Ma'am.
Because you unmuted yourself and you spoke without turn. Okay. Okay, orange. So fish is right. Okay. Anybody wants to help her with the color? Ibrahim, go ahead. Help her with the color. What color would it be?
Green.
Orange.
Orange starts
Ma'am,
with
can
G.
I say the answer?
Green.
No, it's starting with G. Ibrahim, just help her with the color.
Ma'am, green.
Green will
Gray,
fit.
ma'am.
Gray
Gray.
fish.
Gray fish.
Gray fish, let's see.
Yes.
Ma'am, goldfish.
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 Gold.
Okay, that's right. Goldfish. Okay. After the rain, there is often a dash. R and B.
What is the question, ma'am?
After the rain, there is often a dash.
Ma'am.
1 minute. Batul, go ahead, answer.
Rainbow.
Rainbow, that's good. That's excellent. Rainbow, there it is. Okay. A bridge that you walk over by foot is called a dash. Come on. Both the words
And what is the question?
Anas.
What is the question?
Humaira, it's right in front of you, beta, on your screen. Anas. Perfect, Anas. It's a
Footbridge.
footbridge. Very good. Okay. My sister listens to music on her. Come on, we all made that. Yahya. Yes. Yahya, answer.
Headphone.
Headphones. Very good. Okay. Next question, I am taking it from Hamza. Okay. So yeah, that's your answer. Headphones. Very good. When it gets dark in the sky, we know that it is Hamza. When when the sky gets dark?
Night time.
Somebody is writing the answers in the chat.
Okay. So
Yes,
should I disable the chat?
Mohammed Saqib.
Should I
It's
disable the
Mohammed
chat
Mohammed.
then?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No?
ma'am. Yes,
But then
ma'am.
you're giving away the answers in the chat.
Ma'am, it's a particular person, not everyone.
No, it is for everyone. The answers are being shared with everyone.
Ma'am. Am I
Okay.
drinking water?
Yes, yes, please go ahead. Okay, night time. Very good. All right. Now here we'll start with Hamdan, Aisha Aga, Mohammed Mohammadi, Umar, okay, Juveria, you guys are going to answer. Mohammed Saqib, all right. Can you spot all the compound words in this picture?
Ma'am, the
you
first
guys-
one raising the sun is sun rays.
Hamdan, I took your name, does not mean you will just barge in and answer it, okay? Let's not do that. Can you write a sentence using two of the compound words in this picture? Okay, so you also have to write the sentence. Now,
Ma'am, I know
coming to the first one, okay. How about we start with Aisha Aga? You answer. This one.
Ma'am.
Aisha Aga.
Sun's rays.
Sun.
Rays.
See, S-U-N, sun. And then
Mama.
Rays.
rays. Is it starting with R? Mohammed Saqib? No? Anas. Anas, go ahead.
Sunset.
Sunsight. Very good, Anas. Sunshine. Okay. Sunshine. We can also call it a sunshine, and sunsight is also right. I mean, sight the sun. Sunshine. Okay. This one. Who will answer? Juveria, go ahead.
Starfish.
Okay, starfish. Very good. Okay, how about somebody else? Mohammed Mohammadi, go ahead.
Ma'am, which one?
Any, this, whatever.
Ma'am.
Football. Ma'am, this
Football, okay.
Ma'am, can
Okay, okay, we'll go with this. Armband, okay. Yes, Mohammed Saqib.
Lifeguard.
Huh?
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard. Very good, Mohammed Saqib. Okay, that's lifeguard. Let's see what's next. Sun hat, we have it.
Ma'am, football.
Football, yes, okay. This, what is this called?
Duck chair.
Deck chair,
Seashore.
deck, not duck.
Deck
Okay.
chair.
Seashore and lifeguard, okay.
Seesaw.
Seaside or seashore, no, shore nahi aayega, seaside aayega, because shore is, it has 5 alphabets, okay. And then we have lifeguard, all right, excellent. Now, pick one compound word and make, pick two compound words and make one sentence. Come on.
Ma'am, can I?
I want everybody to write the sentences in the chat. Everybody will write the sentences. Go ahead. Go ahead. In the chat, make your own sentence using this any one compound word. In the chat, I want everybody to see typing. You should be typing your sentence in the chat using any one compound word from your screen. Only one, only one. Let's go ahead with one. कोई भी एक compound sentence लो, compound word लो and make a sentence. And type it in the chat. Come on, let me see. You guys love chatting, no? Let's put you to use. The kids are playing football. Aisha, very good. I play with the football and look at the sea star or starfish.
Starfish. I
Yes.
wrote it by mistake.
Yeah. I was sitting on a deck chair at the seaside. Very good, Abdullah. I like your sentence. The sunshine in the sky. No. This will not make compound word. Anas, try again. Sunshine, correct.
And this is make
Starfish sometimes can be poisonous. Very good. See, he made two compound words. Mohammad, Mohammadi. Sometime. Some and time, sometime. Okay. The two kids are playing football in seaside or near the seaside. Okay. On seaside and near. In nahi hota hai. I went to the seaside and saw starfish. Patul, very good. Sally sells seashells at the seaside. Woohoo! Alliteration. Football is the national game of France. Very good.
Ma'am, did you saw mine?
Okay, Yahya and Muhammad. Just one sentence is right.
Fireball for kids.
I wore the sun hat to protect myself from sunshine. Very good, Aisha.
Ma'am, did you saw mine?
Yeah, Umar. No, I did not get yours.
I put sunscreen with my body to protect.
Sunscreen, very nice. Yes. Okay, let's move on to the next. You put in the chat?
Yes.
I sat in my deck chair and enjoyed the sunshine.
Ma'am, it came. Ma'am, it came.
Ma'am, no, wait, I'm not done yet.
Go ahead. You can still type. The lifeguard told to wear armband. Wow, Omar, excellent. The lifeguard helped people who were sinking. Okay. Sun hat are cool. Yes, Julia, short and sweet. Chinese uncle is very lifeguard. Okay, uncle is warning lifeguard to not go underwater. Right. I can't swim without armbands. Yes, the sun had protected the girl from the sun. Very good. All right.
I want to tell what.
I am wearing cap to protect myself from
the sun. Okay, I'm wearing the sun hat to protect myself from the sun. Very good, Umera. Okay, let's move on. Now, again, same thing. Okay, that was the beach. This theme is snow. Okay.
Can you see mine?
Yeah, I read. Okay.
Snowman.
Huh?
Snowman.
So you don't tell to them.
Jumelia, go ahead.
Ma'am, can I answer one of you?
Yes.
Snowflake.
Snowflake. Okay. 1 minute. Is it 1 o'clock already? Snowflake. Very good. Okay.
Snowman.
What is this?
The answers are not allowed.
Answer one of this.
Fireplace.
Yes, ma'am, it's fireplace. Fireplace.
Okay, that's fireplace.
Gingerbread.
This is gingerbread.
Snowman.
Okay. This.
Porcupine.
Pine cone. Yes, it's a pine cone. This
Snowball.
very good. This
Snowman.
excellent. So the girl has a snowball in one hand and a gingerbread man in another. You see? They use two compound words in that sentence. What's that?
Whoa.
Okay, no. I think we'll stop here.
No.
Yeah. We'll stop here.
Yes.
And it's not 1 o'clock, ma'am.
Ma'am, you didn't show us any video.
No. I'm stop here in the sense with the PowerPoint we'll stop. Okay, we are not stopping the session. All right. And now let's move ahead. I have a video for you. And in that video, you have to guess the compound word. Okay, so they'll give you two different words and objects. You have to identify what compound word it is.
Okay, ma'am. Everyone mute yourself.
Mute yourself.
See, there is always, okay, children, one thing I would want to make it extremely clear that while I tell you to raise your hand and you must be raising your hands and I might not be giving you chance then, doesn't mean I don't want you to answer, okay? I really want you to answer, but understand there are so many children in the class, okay? And it's difficult to focus on everybody. I hope you understand that, yes? Okay, so do not feel bad if you haven't gotten a chance and you've raised your hand like a good person. Next time, definitely you'll get a chance. Okay, just wanted to make that clear. Hope you don't feel bad.
Mute yourself. Everyone, please mute your.
How about we mute ourselves and we keep ourselves muted? Yeah, rather than unmuting ourselves and telling everybody to mute themselves. I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me if you do that. Just say. Okay, I definitely did something over here. Yes.
Cheeseburger.
Don't do that. Yeah. Don't do that.
Cheeseburger.
Yes. One time, loud and clear is fine.
Mom, don't pause the video because they are giving a timer.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Aisha. Hey, cheeseburger. Now I feel like having one. Go ahead.
Cowboy.
Don't repeat. Just once, loud and clear. Cowboy. Comprehensible. Okay. Yes, that's the correct answer. Cowboy.
Grass ball.
Grass ball.
Grass ball.
Grass ball.
Grasshopper.
Hamza Sheikh got it right. That's a hopper.
Keyboard.
Very good.
Lighthouse.
Just say once.
Skateboard.
Okay. No. What we will do now?
Ma'am, I want to tell you something.
In today's class, class we learned what are compound words, okay? And we definitely made compound words. We solved the exercise on compound words in our textbooks. Now here is your homework. Everybody has a workbook, right? You remember we solved it in the previous class on Tuesday. In the same workbook on page number 12, you have to solve the entire page 12. Okay, that's your homework. I'm going to put Yes, order workbook, page number 12. Okay, you have to solve the entire page. It's on, specifically it's on compound words. I'm going to put it on the Google Classroom. Do not upload anything. Do not upload anything on the Google Classroom. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss the exercise. Okay.
Ma'am, will you send a picture
next Monday?
Ma'am, will you send a picture?
See, I don't like it when you talk and interrupt me. I mean, I don't know how polite should I be now. Yes, Umar, what are you supposed to do? What did I say?
Ma'am, it's character portrait on page number 12.
Of your workbook.
Oh.
Not the learner's book. This is what happens when you interrupt and you don't listen to the instructions carefully, right? Yeah? Okay. Again, I'll repeat myself for the last time and then I'm signing off. Your workbook, not your learner's book, your workbook, which we solved on Tuesday. Yes. On that page number 12 is completely about compound words. You have to solve the entire page on compound words. And in the next class, that is next Tuesday when we meet, we will discuss it. Okay? Yes? Clear so far? I'm going to put on Google Classroom as a reminder. Yes. I'm going to post a reminder on Google Classroom. Do not upload or attach anything to that assignment. Just Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, this page?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have holiday on Saturday.
Yes, you have holiday on Saturday and Monday.
Ma'am, please send
Muhammad Saqib. Definitely.
Saturday and Sunday.
Or can somebody send a picture to Muhammad Saqib? Because I myself have a picture from Juveria's mother. She sent me the picture. So I can forward you the picture, no problem. Yes, yeah. Those who've understood, sign off. Go, leave the class. Yeah. Those who have doubts, stay. Yes, yeah.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Of course. Juveria.
Thank you.
Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, which picture?
No, Juveria, I don't have the workbook with me, so I had asked your mother to send me the picture. I have it, don't worry. Okay. Hello, little one. What's his or her name, whatever, I mean. Yes, Rishta? Taha. Isa. Oh, it's a boy. Isa. Amazing. Yes, Abdullah.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Oh my God, so cute. Bye-bye. Yes, Abdullah.
And there was a joke on the screw and the driver that one time Subhandi's master tells him to go in the market and bring the screwdriver. So he goes and in the market, and then he comes after an hour later and then he tells where is the screwdriver. So he said in the market, I asked all the taxi drivers, they didn't know how to drive a screw.
What nonsense. It's such nonsense thing to do. Why did I laugh? Oh my God. Anyway, okay, so welcome, Badul. I'll definitely send. So Muhammad Saqib and Badul have to send the picture. Fine. See you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Tuesday.
Bye.
Yes, bye. It's a long weekend.
Bye.
Enjoy. Take care.